Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to show or hide the caller ID on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and now we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the settings and enter calling accounts. Let's pick the SIM card for which we would like to show or hide the caller ID and enter additional settings. Now let's wait a second. And as you can see, for some reason I've got some problems with the network or the SIM card, but no worries. All you have to do is to simply tap on this caller ID option. So let me tap on it, and as you can see here we've got three different options. Right now we've got the network default set, so it means that your device will use default operator settings to display the number in outgoing calls. Of course you can hide a number or show a number. So after picking hide number, you can see that the information here changes. You can learn what it actually means. So if you will pick the hide number, then it will be hidden in outgoing calls, and obviously after tapping on show, the number will be displayed in outgoing calls. So it's really up to you which option you like to use. So actually this is it. This is how to change, how to show or hide the caller ID in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.